Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, these are our top gainers of today, Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Finance, and there are others also. So we will look what made them those top gainers, what were the chart patterns behind them. So let us begin straight away with Bharti Airtel, guys. This stock is booming in past 2 days, and today it again gave us a good signal. See over here, just see this one, this jump, and such a good green candle in the hourly pattern. This was very indicative of yes, it's gonna go up, and yes, it did. It made a very good returns of almost more than 5%. Wow, guys, just wow. Second one was Bajaj Finance. Let us look into this. So you see guys, in Bajaj Finance we can easily find a very good, a very beautiful trend line over here. See, this is really a very nice trend line. If you see this, if you observe this and see over here guys, this was the time it started. This was the time it started, and again it was booming up. So yeah, see, if there is an uptrend and there are complete number of green lines over there, you can completely indicate that yes, it's gonna go up, and yeah, it did went up also. You can just check out from this area. See, if you can make this one over here, right over here, this was their resistance, and again it broke the trend, so it will go up, and yes, it did. So guys, iCare Motors, this one is really interesting. You see this, just see this, just see this. Okay, this was their resistance zone. Okay, we can lower it a bit. All right. Okay, if we keep it up a little here also, yeah, this was their zone. So see guys, you see there was such a huge bullish momentum over here, and this was the time it broke it broke the trend, this very green candle. And guys, this was a very firm indicative that yes, it will go up, and it did went up. It boosted up, and so you can see, if even you would have entered over here, you would have easily made an investment return of 2.69 or more. Really interesting. So guys, for Hindalco, there was just one simple thing, that this was their resistance moment. Like, it was not trying to it was not allowing the very bullish momentum to go beyond this, but this candle broke it right away. This was really very good bullish momentum. The previous day was very good bullish momentum, so it was today confirmed that yes, it will boom up, and it did give you a whopping return of 4.77%. It's really nice guys. Just see this. Here the trend broke with the green candle, again a bullish upside candle with such a good upside wick, and this was what you get as a result. So guys, for Bajaj Fin Reserve, you can just make this pattern out of this. It was a good pattern over here, and it was moving a little bit like this. Okay, see guys, this was the pattern. You can see it moved up, and here it was expected to go down, but again it broke the pattern, and with such a beautiful green candle, you could have easily invested good and still could have made very good profits of almost 2.3%. Now guys, this one is really interesting. It was really having a very good pattern over here. You see this momentum, and again it was right away from here. And see guys, just see how good there was a breakout right from here, and you could have easily made a whopping of 5%, more than 4%. It's almost 5% in just within few days, just one day. See guys, this is the power of this breakout pattern. It was really a very good triangle pattern over here, and you could have easily seen the breakout right from here when it jumped such a huge gap, and that too with a green candle. So yeah guys, that's it for today's. These are your top gainers. I hope you learned from them. You can see the charts, you can easily make out the patterns, and you can guess that how it came out, why was there a breakout. It's all on price action pattern, and it's all just the trends and those charts, those patterns. You need to practice it again and again, and then you can master this very skill. So guys, meet you next day. Okay, until then, keep investing, be safe, be happy, keep enjoying your life. We'll meet next time. Thanks for watching the video.